Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my father is going to show you how to cook Afghani chicken at home without using tandoor. So let's go and check it out.
Hi beta. Okay, so beta, today we are going to prepare Afghani chicken. हम अफगानी चिकन बनाएंगे जो घर में विदाउट तंदूर यूज किए हुए, ठीक है। एंड उसके लिए इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो चाहिए होगा, मैं चिकन आपको बताता हूँ कि मैं चिकन लेता हूँ अप्रोक्सीमेटली हाफ किलो, आधा किलो चिकन है। और इंग्रेडिएंट्स में हमें चाहिए, सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो बताता हूँ, आधा किलो चिकन के लिए मेरे को अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2 ऑनियंस, अराउंड 7 ग्रीन चिलीज और 20 ग्राम्स के करीब धनिया पत्ता। इसका हमने एक साथ पेस्ट बना लिया मिक्सचर में। उसके बाद हमने इंग्रेडिएंट्स में रखा है ऑलमोस्ट 2 टेबलस्पून ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर, 1 टेबलस्पून दिस इज चाट मसाला, 1 टेबलस्पून गरम मसाला, एंड दिस इज कसूरी मेथी, ड्राई कसूरी मेथी। ओके, एंड हियर वी हैव 2 टेबलस्पून लेमन जूस। इसके साथ हमें चाहिए होगा क्रीम एंड 100 ग्राम के करीब कर्ड, 100 ग्राम मिल्क, as well as this is the paste of like 20 grams, around 20-25 काजू एंड 2 स्पून पॉपी सीड्स जो खसखस होते हैं, उसका हमने पेस्ट बना लिया है। अब हम इन सब से इस चिकन को मैरिनेट करेंगे। We also require ginger garlic paste, which is approximately 2 tablespoon, and while marinating it we will put that ginger garlic paste also in this. So here with the chicken I am adding the paste of coriander leaves, onion and green chili and putting the ginger garlic paste. So you can prepare this paste in home or you can get it from any shop, which is a ready-made which comes in a packet. It might save your time and effort. Now here I am putting milk. Here goes poppy seeds with the cashew paste. Just stirring it, putting it together. Seed has gone. Now I need approximately, for half kilo chicken I need 50 ml of cream. You can just add it as per your taste and requirement. So yogurt to be added here. So yogurt has been added. Now this kasuri methi, the fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves, crushed 1, and here goes chaat masala. Here goes your garam masala and black pepper powder, and here 2 tablespoon lime juice. So now I am going to Now along with this I have to add 2 tablespoon oil. This I haven't mentioned you previously, but this oil is also required. So 2 tablespoon oil is added. Quantity it's as per the taste. You just put it as per your taste. Marinate. You have to mix it properly and keep this for about 2 hours, not less than 2 hours. You have to keep it for 2 hours for the marination. Put the oil in the fry pan and it's ready. I'm going to put the chicken and fry it. while this is getting ready, parallelly what I am doing, I am just preparing my gravy for this. I have to check whether oil, yes, it has become hot. I will put the gravy in it. Now by the time this is getting ready, you have to make this gravy ready in a low medium flame, and you have to make it thick. Chickens are ready as well as my gravy is ready. I am going to put this chicken over here. Now I am going to cover this for 20 minutes. Chickens are here. I will cover it for 20 minutes. Now it's almost ready. Now I will put 1 cube or 1 spoon of butter in it, and my Afghani chicken is ready. I will keep it covered.